Have you ever had trouble finding the right image for your website or landing page, or been brushed off by clients with the response, "We don't have any good images to provide"? Then this video is just for you. I show you the strategy using Midjourney AI that can save you a lot of time and money, so don't waste any of it on stock photos. And by the end of this video, I guarantee you that you know exactly how to utilize AI for landing pages and websites, so you don't need stock images ever again. So let's get right into it. First off, AI image modeling is all about creating visuals using artificial intelligence. Instead of the traditional route of searching through stock image libraries, AI generates fresh and original images based on your input and prompts. Today we are focusing on Midjourney AI, a powerful tool that's perfect for crafting these images. It's user-friendly and offers tons of customization options to get just the right visual. The real advantage here, costs and customization. With Midjourney you have pricing plans that fit every budget. For the strategy I'll show you now, the $10 pricing plan is sufficient. With this you can generate images for over 3 hours using the fast GPU time. Stock images often start at $10 each, and for landing page or websites you quickly need 10 or more images. So in the end you are not only saving money, but you are also getting tailor-made images that perfectly fit your brand's vibe and message. The newest model of Midjourney is version 6, and it lets you make super realistic images that look just like real ones, where you can't tell that they are AI generated. Let's jump right into Midjourney AI so I can show you how it works. You might know Midjourney works through Discord, right? On there you can make AI pictures on your own or a public server just by typing in what you want. Setting up a Discord account and server for Midjourney isn't that hard, but I won't get into that here because there are loads of tutorials already. Once it's all set up, you can type /settings and hit enter to see all the important settings you can change. To make photorealistic pictures of employees, people and teams for our websites, we need to set up Midjourney like this. We use version 6 of the model. I've gotten good results with stylized medium, but you can switch it to raw or high depending on what you like. In raw mode, for example, it lets the image generator be less biased. You can leave the mode on fast. You will probably see it's set to public because you have the cheaper subscription. That just means other people can see your images that you create. To start modeling a picture how we want, we first always type /imagine and hit enter. Now for the front part, the prompt to use for photorealistic pictures goes like this. First the subject plus action, then the environment, the color scheme, the camera lens and film, after that lighting, and we also put in additional details, and in the end the parameters. I've prepared a couple of examples, and for the first one I'm trying to create a picture of a handyman doing some plumbing work on the streets in Miami with specific brand colors. So I type this into Midjourney, /imagine and press enter. Now write the prompt using the formula I gave you. This could look something like this. So here I told the AI about the person, the situation and the location. I also added the brand colors and the camera gear used for the scene. And finally I also set the aspect ratio. After typing the prompt, we confirm and Midjourney starts generating 4 samples. With U1, U2, U3 and U4, we can upscale the suggestions, and with V1 iterset we can make 4 more variations. I really like this version, so I'll have Midjourney enlarge it. Now I can decide if I want to upscale the image before saving it, or if I want to create more versions of it. You can also adjust a specific part of the image with the Vary Region option. For this, just click this button here and use the lasso tool to adjust the area here, for example. Confirm your input and let Midjourney adjust the image. Now enlarge the version you like best using one of the top buttons. I'll take this and then I click on the picture and on open in browser. Here I can save it in full resolution with a right click. And now I want to make another example, this time a picture of a law firm's recruitment page. Let's assume their branding looks something like this page here, and they are looking for a legal assistant. In Midjourney, I'll type this to start, /imagine, then confirm, and then type this prompt. And submit. So I really like this image here, but I want to see if there might be one I like even more among similar suggestions. So I click here for more variations. I like this variant the best, and now I click on this button here to upscale it, and then on the picture itself down here and choose open in browser. Here I can easily save this picture. If I now want a picture with a different scene or location, but I want to keep the character of the person the same, I can just use the following prompt. First I click again on the picture, but instead of open in browser, I right click on the picture and copy the link. And then I type /imagine and describe this scene. For example, legal assistant, woman in blue business dress, talking to a colleague, happy at work, modern lawyer, offers building in Atlanta, also adding the color scheme. Then add --cref and paste the link in there. And also add after that --cw100, which means it keeps the face, clothes and the body shape. And after that, confirm to let Midjourney adjust the scene. And as you can see now, Midjourney did a great job of keeping the character consistent, but we've got a whole new scene we can use now as a new picture. On the landing page, we can use it like this, for example. Here's a little extra tip. If you want to create a landing page and your client already has a website with a few images, you can remodel those existing images using Midjourney. Start with the prompt /describe and then click on image if you've downloaded the specific image, or link if you use this method with the link. I'll show you how it's done using an example from the Unsplash website. I just type employees into the search and click on this picture here. Then right click on the image to copy the image address and paste it into Midjourney, and after that hit enter. Now Midjourney gives me 4 descriptions of the image, which I can also have created by using Imagine All from Midjourney. As you can see, you can also generate similar images if you are using pictures from other sites as inspiration. I've been using these techniques for a while now, and they really help me provide a lot of value to my clients. Plus, it also allows me to create professional and authentic landing pages for my clients much faster. To wrap up, AI image modeling with Midjourney AI is a fantastic way to get stunning, unique images for your landing pages without a lot of costs and time. If you want to give it a try, check out the links below for more info on the Midjourney AI prompts I used in this video. And if you have any questions or have tried it out yourself, drop a comment. I'd love to hear about your experience. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And also subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to boost your online presence. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.